Tyler with another one on. There he goes.
Come here, baby.
Yeah, I should let this one go.
No, it probably has rope. Fuck that. This motherfucker's a keeper no matter what.
There she is.
Come here. Hell no. Get back over here. Get back over here. You ain't going nowhere. I got you too good, baby. Yeah. Hell no. Get back over here. Come here, baby.
There it goes. Well, there's a bunch of them in there?
Dude, there's like 6 or 7 just sitting there swimming around that fucking rock.
Oh, yeah?
You're sitting there, just sit right there, watch them, cast over them, and boom!
That one looks like a male. I'd let that one go away. Go home.
Well, come here and help me get him up here so I can get the fucking hook out.
Alright, let me finish.